Namaskar, Vasudev Kutumbakam. Well, one earth, one family and one future. Namaskar, moi Ranjita Borua. Pise hokole mok moromote Alia boli mate. Aru aji ami bortoman yate jehetu Y20 bikhoye ami hokole kotha pati asu. Aru bohuto students ahise yat. Aru teolokor hoite aji ami kotha patim. Amar G20 choli ase tar logote Y20 especially we are this year the India is focusing more on environment, youth and so many issues. So jehetu koa hoy je ভাৰতত যিখিনি পপুলেশ্যন আছে তাৰ আটাইতকৈ বেছি হৈছে ইউথ আৰু তেওঁলোকে হৈছে আমাৰ ফিউচাৰ আৰু তেওঁলোকৰ সৈতে আজি আমি কথা পাতিম তেওঁলোকে কেনেদৰে নিজৰ ফিউচাৰটো আচলতে চাব বিচাৰে বা কেনেদৰে আগুৱাই যাব বিচাৰে তাৰ সৈতে আমি বিভিন্ন কথা পাতিম আজি আমাৰ সৈতে অসমে নহয় ভাৰতৰ বিভিন্ন প্ৰান্তৰ পৰা আহা যিসকল ষ্টুডেণ্টছ তেওঁলোক থাকিব আৰু ভাৰত বুলিয়ে নহয় বিশ্বৰ বিভিন্ন জায়গাৰ পৰা ষ্টুডেণ্টছ থাকিব আমি তেওঁলোকৰ সৈতে কথা পাতিম আশা কৰিছো you are going to have a great time with all of them with all the students that are coming to attend Y20 here in Assam in India. So I have my first guest with me, जिनके साथ मैं बात करने वाली हूँ, and they are all the way from Germany in student exchange. So let's talk to them. Hi, namaste, and welcome to India. Welcome to Assam. What's your name?
My name is Paul.
And what's yours?
I'm Felix. Hello.
So you are from Germany. So how's your stay here?
Yeah, it has been great. It has been very interesting. It's definitely a completely different cultural experience compared to Germany. And overall, I would say it has been very positive.
Right. And what's your experience? Because G20 is going on, and this time India is the host country, and we have so many things like we will concentrate on the climate, and so many aspects are there. So you are here in Assam, and it's one of the most beautiful places in India. So how's the experience staying here as a student?
Yeah, I can totally also subscribe to Paul's view, and I feel like there's so many things going on all the time. We get so many emails every day. There's something happening that we can go to, and that's just a perfect student exchange. And there's so many abilities to participate in some events, learn about.
Yeah. So apart from study, did you visit nearby places, or did you visit any places here in Assam?
When I came here, I took the train through all of the breadth of India.
Okay.
But in Assam, there's still lots of places. So for now, I'm Guwahati, but there's more to go. I've been to Shillong and Cherrapunji to see the root bridges.
Wow.
I came here a bit early. I came to India in December already, but I spent my time in central India, so I still have some exploring to do in Guwahati and Assam.
Definitely. And what about food? Did you try the food here in Assam? Because it's very healthy and it's very tasty.
Oh yeah, it definitely is. Unfortunately, the campus does not mirror the quality of Indian food in every aspect, but overall the food has been great, especially outside the campus.
Okay, thank you so much for joining me, and I hope you're having an amazing stay here in our city and in India as well. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. So these are two students all the way from Germany, and they उन लोग का बहुत अच्छा. They are feeling really great out here and right here in IIT in this entire campus. This campus is colorful. I have so many students out here. So that was the performance of these students, and it was amazing because we all know the Northeast is full of colors, full of, they're so beautiful when they dance. And so these are the students. So you are from?
I'm from Tata Institute of Social Science.
Tata Institute of Social
Guwahati
Science. So we are here in IIT Guwahati. So you're performing?
Yeah, we are here for the Northeast Unveil campaign.
Okay.
And we are showcasing different tribes from Assam.
Yes.
And in total we are showcasing 9 tribes.
All right. So Y20. This time we are going to host. India is the host country. So what are your expectations? Why youth is so important, and what youth can do?
Yes, what I feel is youth is the important aspect of the country, because what we see is in today's context in our country we neglect youth. Because of such we have unemployment, we
Yes.
don't have opportunity, we're not giving opportunity to the youth. So because of that I feel there should be a lot of opportunity so that the youth cannot go to the drugs or any other thing. They can build on themselves so
Yes.
that later on it will build the nation.
Yeah,
So-
definitely. So this time India is a host country. And do you think that by hosting G20 and Y20, we are going to open a lot of avenues for our youth, not only for our youth, for the entire country? So what is your take on that?
Yes, I feel that it's a good take by the India, and it will open the new door so that the youth can involve themselves in such activities so that it can build our nation very good in a proper way.
But I feel really jealous of you because you are the only Krishna among all these girls. So you have you get all the attention, I guess.
Actually, I'm representing Sikkim. This
Okay.
is the Nepali culture.
Yes, yes. So
I
it's a
feel-
brother.
Yeah.
Sikkim is a brother. All
it's
this
good
to
to
the
be united as a different
Definitely.
culture. So
Yes, yes.
It's such a good platform that we are showcasing that we are in unity, living together. in
Definitely,
harmony.
definitely. All of you are looking amazing, and thank you so much for joining our special show.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Well, I have another student with me all the way from some other country, that is Spain, Madrid. So let's introduce him to every one of you. Namaste and welcome to India and welcome to Assam and welcome to our show. What's your name?
Hello, my name is George and I come from Spain.
Okay. So George, tell me how's experience being out here?
It's very nice. I'm enjoying it a lot. I've been here for a month
Yeah.
and I'm studying mechanical engineering here. And everything is very nice. I have lots of friends and I'm enjoying.
Okay, so as I know, Spain is a very beautiful country. It's very colorful and the people are very friendly. So did you get something, similar here in Assam? Because we love to host people and we love people, that's why.
Yeah, I'm enjoying. All the people are very nice and they're very friendly. They help me a lot because they're similar in the way that we treat people, I think, but it's also very different. So they've been helping me a lot.
Definitely. And this year, India is the host country of G20 and Y20. So one of our, points or one of the things that we are going to concentrate is about the environment. So no matter where we stay in any part of the world, environment is the most important factor right now as we all are facing the global warming. So what do you think as a person?
Yeah, environment is is a very important to have in mind right now, and also it's so nice that here you have all these parks, and I went to Katseringa Park,
Yeah.
and I enjoyed that a lot. So it's very nice. I'm enjoying all the mountains that you have, all the rivers. Very nice, yeah.
Definitely. And thank you so much.
Yeah,
and
you're welcome.
hope you are having a great time staying here in Assam.
Yeah, okay. Thank you very much.
Well, আজি আমি বিভিন্ন ষ্টুডেণ্টছক লগ পাইছোঁ আমাৰ অসমৰ পৰা নহয় ভাৰতৰ পৰা নহয় আচলতে তেওঁ ভাৰতৰ তেওঁলোকে বাহিৰৰ পৰা আহিছে স্পেইনৰ পৰা আহিছে এনেকুৱা বিভিন্ন ল'ৰা ছোৱালীৰ সৈতে আজি আমি কথা পাতিছোঁ আৰু আটাইতকৈ ভাল মোৰ এইটো লাগিছে যে তেওঁলোকে আমাৰ ইয়ালৈ আহি আমাৰ যি গছ গছনি আমাৰ যি খাদ্য তেওঁলোকে বিৰাট বেছি ভাল পাইছে এয়া আৰু ভাল হৈ থাকক আমি তাকে কামনা কৰিছোঁ আৰু ষ্টুডেণ্টছ আছে যাৰ সৈতে আমি কথা পাতিম so that was a young engineer with us so we have more people. What's your name?
I am Akshay Jha. I'm from Nasik in Maharashtra and I'm doing electrical and electronics engineering here, second year.
So how कैसा लग रहा है Assam?
Assam is very different from what I expected. I didn't expect to come here, but then one day suddenly all of a sudden I'm here. It's a very beautiful place. It's separate from the rest of India and it's amazing, all the nature, the wildlife here you get. That's not there in any other part of India. So it's totally different. It's amazing.
And what about food? How much you like the food?
Ooh, the food. Let's talk about the food. There are so many exotic options available here. You go to some regions in Guwahati also is there. There's silkworms and snails and everything. And all the other regional dishes as well. They have dishes made from bamboo. And that's that was so very new for me. I like trying I like trying new food. So that was a great experience for me.
So that's something that common between us. We keep trying. I love to try. You can see me, I don't have.
No, you're very beautiful.
No, it's not about beautiful. It's about eating and having everything
Yes.
around your body.
Also.
But thank you so much. Thank you so much. So I have another engineer.
Yeah,
All right. So what's your name?
my name is Sriya.
So what do you love to do? What are your hobbies?
I like to dance, not really. I like to try a lot of food like you.
Okay. So what do you have tried here, especially in Assam, in Northeast?
I've tried, I'm a non-vegetarian, no offense to vegetarians,
Yeah.
but I've tried almost like half. So many new things. Like, I didn't even know like people eat all those like silkworms, emu, shark, and they're like exotic, which I find over here. So I love them. Few I didn't, but that's fine.
So I have another, some of my friends जो मैंने नया बना लिया है यहाँ पे आके campus में. So we are having an amazing interactive session with this young champs. So I have with me, what's your name?
I'm Hardik.
Okay. So Hardik, you're not from Assam, you're from outside.
Yeah, I'm from 1,000 kilometers away,
Yeah. So what's the place?
down the south, Hyderabad.
Hyderabad. All right. So do you miss your Hyderabadi biryani out here?
Yeah, sure do.
But what do you like the most here in food?
Well, I can say Lohit's biryani then. Being a Hyderabadi, I do like biryani.
Okay. And how is your stay out here, being a student?
I'd say I love IIT Guwahati. I love being here. It gets quite boring when I go back home. My parents don't like that, obviously, but yeah. And the only thing I don't like about being here is the weather.
Okay. A little. Sometimes it's like quite hot.
Yeah, the weather is very unpredictable.
Yeah, it's very unpredictable. But you know what? What I would like to ask you is that you being a student, you are from IIT, you also get a lot of scope to do something for the society as I think you are coming up with some kind of a marathon and all that. How important for a person to evolve when we, involve in different kind of activities apart from our studies?
I think it's pretty important, being at this stage. I think the best we can do is use this as an opportunity moving forward. I mean, in IITs there are many fests, one of them being obviously Aljaringa.
Yeah.
It's quite big. So I think again, doing something good, being at this place is what matters. When I go out, when I move out, when I look back, I want to remember this as being a time when I did something other than studying.
Great. So thank you so much for joining us. So I have another student from IIT. What's your name?
Hi, I am Kaustubh Kumar.
Okay, so Kaustav, you're from here. More than a student, you look like a filmy hero.
Okay.
So you're the most popular one in the campus or what?
I'm not so sure about that.
He's blushing, I'm sure he is. He knew that already. But anyway, so where you are from?
Yeah, I'm from Jamshedpur, Jharkhand.
So how's your stay here in Assam?
Yeah, so it's been a good time over here, and I'm looking forward to having a great time over here. Yeah.
And what are your hobbies? What do you love to do?
I like singing, and I also like sketching portraits and something like that. Yeah, and I'm also learning to play guitar. So yeah, let's see where it goes.
You said singing, so can you sing 2-3 lines for us? Anything that you
Sing. Can you suggest some?
any song that you like? Tell me, any of your friend who requested you over WhatsApp, please sing this for me. Something like that recently.
Okay. मैं तेरी आँखों में उदासी कभी देख सकता नहीं, तुझे मुझ खुश मैं रखूँगा सोनिया, मैं तेरे होठों पे खामोशी कभी देख सकता नहीं, सारी बातें मैं सुनूँगा सोनिया, तेरे दिल से ना कभी खेलूँगा, सारे राज अपने मैं तुझको दे दूँगा, मेरी जान तूने मुझको पागल है किया, मेरा लगदा ना जिया तेरे बगैर, तू मान मेरी जान मैं तुझे जाने ना दूँगा, मैं तुझको अपनी बाहों में छुपा के रखूँगा, तू मान मेरी जान मैं तुझे जाने ना दूँगा, मैं तुझको अपनी आँखों में बसा के रखूँगा, तू मान मेरी जान.
Thank you. So whom you love to dedicate this song?
No one special right now.
Well, thank you so much for joining. So I have another student with me. What's your name?
Anushka Negi.
Okay. So Anushka, first you are a student, right? So what you are studying?
BTech Chemistry.
All right.
Yeah.
So this year India is hosting G20 Y20 summit, as we all know. So what do you think, like, the future of India, because we are hosting so many different countries, it is going to boost our agriculture, our tourism, and a lot of scope for the Indian youth or for the India. What's your take on that?
I think it's a very great opportunity, and we are in IIT Guwahati right now, and we have this opportunity to host, like, this time also, like, G20 is happening, and it's like a very great opportunity for us, I must say that. And other than that, I think, like, as you said, for the agriculture, for the tourism, for the everything, for the every field, we are growing, and that is what important, like, growing is important, and yeah, that's it.
Thank you so much. So what's your name?
Hi, I am Deepan from West Bengal, Kolkata.
Bengali.
Yeah.
So food is something you cannot. So what is one thing that you relate to Assam?
Basically biryani mostly, but the non-veg food here is quite good. Like fish is there, and a lot of Bengali and Assamese cuisine. Usually they are same type of. So like the food is really nice here. Out here we have a lot of inside campus as well and outside campus as well. We have a lot of restaurants which serve authentic Assamese and Bengali cuisines.
Definitely. So as we are hosting G20 summit here in India, so a lot of delegates are coming from different part of the world. So how, according to you, is going to help us in future to build a better India?
First of all, I guess there are a lot of students here, young people are there, so they get motivated when they see these people. So and we help in hosting these events as well. So IIT Guwahati students are really looking forward and to learn something from them and really help them in the future endeavors. Yeah, that's it.
Definitely. Thank you so much for joining us. So I have another chair. Keep on smile. I like his smile because कहते हैं ना कि मुस्कुराने से चेहरे की जो खूबसूरती है वो बढ़ जाती है. So that's the secret.
Yeah, definitely, for sure.
So you see what I like about. Before that, what's your name?
My name's Naran.
Okay. So Naran कहते हैं ना कि मुस्कुराते रहना चाहिए. Life में गम हो, खुशी हो, whatever. So that's your mantra?
Yeah, for sure. Be happy in life, for sure.
Okay. So what do you do? Studying?
Yeah, I'm studying here in BDS Design.
So you sing, or what are your hobbies?
I like to draw mostly, like mainly cars and all, and cycle, and listen to music and all. Yeah.
So what I would like to ask you is that apart from the engineering, doctors, we have, and now students are aware that engineering and doctors are very important professions to grow for a country. But apart from that, scientists, then farmers are also a very important profession right now. We need to take, because we have G20 summits which promoting agriculture, environment. We need environmentalists. So what is your message to the youth which is watching to them?
My message will be that there are a lot of professions that uphold like the economy of a country, and like you can't just focus on just like the top tier ones, which may like provide a good revenue or something, but that's not the only thing that keeps a country going. That's mainly it. And there's a lot of things that you can do in this world, and you just go after what you like.
Definitely. So thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
So I am having a gala time out here in IIT Guwahati क्योंकि मैं अलग-अलग स्टूडेंट्स से मिल रही हूँ. I'm watching different performances जो उन्होंने किया है, और इसीलिए actually our honorable Prime Minister नरेंद्र मोदी जी always have a faith on our youth कि जो भारत के नौजवान हैं उनको सिर्फ मौका मिलना चाहिए, वो भारत को किसी एक ऐसे स्थान पर लेके जाएंगे कि ऐसे ही हम पॉपुलर हैं, हम और भी पॉपुलर हो जाएंगे हर तरह से. So I have another organizer with me from IIT and he is doing a lot of hard work that I must say. What's your name?
शिवांश.
Okay, शिवांश, सबसे पहले तो ये बताओ कितनी मेहनत हो रही है, because so many things are going on in the campus.
Like अभी जितने भी स्टूडेंट बॉडी बने हैं सब लोग कहीं ना कहीं कुछ ना कुछ काम कर रहे हैं. कुछ लोग हॉस्पिटैलिटी में लगे हुए हैं, कुछ लोग लाइक वेन्यूज़ में जो भी डिफरेंट कॉम्पिटिशन्स या इवेंट्स हो रहे हैं वो ऑर्गेनाइज करा रहे हैं, तो वो उनका लाइटिंग्स हुआ, उसके बाद फिर जो भी अरेंजमेंट्स है वो देख रहे हैं. कुछ लोग इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के लिए काम कर रहे हैं, एंड कुछ लोग लाइक सिक्योरिटी में भी हैं अभी. तो मतलब लगभग अभी पूरा कैंपस कुछ ना कुछ कर रहा है, और जो मतलब स्टूडेंट बॉडी के पार्ट नहीं है एलचरिंगा के अंडर, वो भी मतलब अभी इस फेस्ट को एंजॉय कर रहे हैं. मतलब हाँ
सो मैं एक चीज आपसे पूछना चाहूंगी कि हमारी अभी की जो सरकार है, द गवर्नमेंट इज गिविंग अ लॉट ऑफ स्कोप टू डिफरेंट सेक्टर्स. फॉर एग्जांपल अभी हम स्टार्टअप की बात अगर कर ले, सो डिफरेंट पीपल आर कमिंग इनटू स्टार्टअप बिकॉज दे आर लॉट ऑफ गेटिंग लॉट ऑफ फंड्स, ऑल्सो डिफरेंट मॉड्यूल्स फ्रॉम डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द country. So how important for us to grow and how it is going to contribute us, G20, the different countries are coming to our country, so how it is going to contribute for the overall development of the country according to you?
हाँ, like startups के लिए like different countries का impact जो होगा वो important है, क्योंकि मतलब एक startup grow करना जब जैसे ही start करता है तो उसको मतलब जैसा environment मिलेगा, जितना अच्छा environment मिलेगा वो मतलब उतना ही बढ़िया उभर पाएगा, बन पाएगा. तो लाइक स्टार्टअप्स के लिए ये मतलब एक अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस है.
Definitely. So thank you so much for joining us. So I have more students with me जिनके साथ मैं बात करना चाहूंगी, जिनके दिल की बात एक्चुअली मैं जानना चाहूंगी. And right now, one of the most important factors of our life is the environment. How can we take care of our environment? What will be our contribution as a human race to the environment? Because I think we're the only one who destroyed it. So it's important for us to contribute. So this time in G20, we're also going to give importance how we can take care of our nature. So what's your name?
Myself Satyam Jaiswal.
Okay, so Satyam, as we know that environment is a vital part of our life because trees are there, we are there. But kahin na kahin we all are, not only in India but the different parts of the country or the world we are affected. Our environment is affected, but especially in India at least we have trees, we have different forests. Our flora and fauna is quite rich. So what is your take on that? How important for us to take care of environment, together?
Yeah, actually, this G20. First of all, let's talk about G20. G20 समिट जो है मतलब 20 कंट्रीज ने मिलकर अगर बनाया है तो उनको पता है कि क्लाइमेट में कितना फ़र्क आ रहा है जिसकी वजह से ये हो रहा है. तो पहली बार इंडिया को स्टेक मिला है कि वो होस्ट करे इंडिया में. तो मतलब जो भी मीटिंग वगैरह होगी क्लाइमेट से रिलेटेड जो इम्प्रूव करने के लिए होगी वो ऑब्वियसली टेक होगा. अब मतलब 20 ईयर्स के अबव हो गए G20 को बने हुए. तो मीन्स ऑल ऑफ द नेशन नो द इम्पोर्टेंट ऑफ द क्लाइमेट चेंज एंड द ट्रीज दैट आर नीड टू बी प्लांटेड एंड द ग्रीनरी अराउंड. That's all.
Yeah, definitely. और सबसे बड़ी बात ये है कि it should be a conscious involvement by everybody to protect our environment, right?
Yeah.
Definitely. So I have a beautiful, cute little girl with me. Little मैं इसीलिए बोल रही हूँ कि मैं definitely इनसे बड़ी हूँ. What's your name?
Myself Diksha.
So what you are studying?
I'm doing civil engineering, BTech second year.
Okay. So Diksha, being a girl, we always say that we have a lot of responsibilities on our head, right? But this time, our government is also taking special care for children, for women, because a lot of scopes has been given to all of us. G20, we're hosting G20, and a lot of delegates are coming, and we have seen how our finance minister is a female, and she's taking care of the finance of the entire country. So we're really proud of her. So how do you see yourself as a woman after 20 years in India?
Like I see equally like men and women nowadays. Like it's like now it's like normal. Like pehle we have to do a lot of struggle. So government is providing us more opportunities to move forward, and maybe men से ज़्यादा opportunities हमें मिल रही है. तो yeah, I see the successful woman.
Definitely. So what you love to do after you completing your studies? What are your aim?
To obviously contribute a little to our country. Definitely. And कि मेरी वजह से कुछ improvement हो.
Definitely.
And small contribution to the nature, Mother Earth. And I will try to do some like NGO works, social works, and obviously that job and all. Like normal lives.
Definitely. Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you. Well, these are some students जिनके साथ हमने थोड़ी बहुत बातें की. बट एक बात मैं हमेशा सबसे कहना चाहूँगी, और आप लोग भी हमें देख रहे हैं, मैं कहना चाहूँगी, government has given us lot of opportunities to take care of our nature, to take care of our economy. Lot of startups are going on, लेकिन awareness और contribution as a public is very important. हम जब aware होंगे, जब हम एक साथ मिलकर अपने देश के बारे में सोचेंगे, the oneness in us is very important. So this awareness is important कि ये देश मेरा है, मुझे अपने देश के लिए खुद कुछ करना है. We need this sentiment in each and every one of us so that we can take our country, India, to a next level where everybody will come and see and give our example. We are rich with our culture, our food. everything. We need to work together to make our India more, vibrant and more successful. मेरे जाने का वक्त हो गया है because everything has to come to an end. लेकिन जाने से पहले हम आज जो हमारे शो को खत्म करने वाले हैं with some beautiful music. क्योंकि music is something that connects our soul. No matter from where you are, from which country you are, but music is something that is going to connect.
मेरा दर्पण तेरी तुझको तुरसे जीना मुझको रास आने लगा जब से चहकी पत्तियां तेरी जोगन तेरा मारा रसिया जग जीता दिलहारा रसिया पग तेरे चौबारे सदके मैं बंजारा रसिया रसिया ये तेरा हुआ तूने जिया मोह लिया रसिया ने तेरा है जो वही तुझे सौंप दिया थैंक यू सो मच
वाओ एट द 11 years ये कमाल है आगे जाके बहुत बड़ा धमाल होने वाला है एंड आई एम श्योर कि बहुत कुछ आप अचीव कर पाओ लाइफ में दैट्स व्हाट आई विश फॉर थैंक यू सो मच फॉर जॉइनिंग थैंक यू So that was a wonderful number, wonderful singing from 11 years old Rudra and we really enjoyed each and every bit of it. और इसे प्यारे से गाने के साथ this is रंजीता बोरुआ जिसे मैंने कहा प्यार से आप लोग आलिया बुलाते हैं signing off from the special show. लेकिन जाते जाते जो भी ये शो देख रहा है मैं रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूंगी कि इस बार G20 और Y20 में हम द इंडिया इज द होस्ट कंट्री. बहुत सारी उम्मीदें हैं इंडिया के यूथ से. lot of opportunities are coming on your way. Please take care of environment, please take care of children, women and each and every opportunities that we are getting. We should take care of it and we should take our country to a different level. With this positive note, I'm signing off. Take care of yourself.